If you want quick tips regarding making money online, this video is it. Have you always dreamed of making money online? A lot of people are doing it right now. There are many opportunities on the internet which you can take advantage of. This video will show you what you should look out for when searching for that golden opportunity to make money. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. If you intend to make money online, join at least one forum first. There is a lot to be learned, and you can do so from other people's mistakes, rather than having to make your own. Introduce yourself, ask questions and make connections too. Networking for online money-making situations can turn into very lucrative jobs. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. You can see that making money online is very possible. You just need good information to point you in the right way. Just remember that you will need to put in time and effort on it. Nothing will be handed to you on a silver platter. However, if you put in the effort, you will reap your rewards. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.